It looks really wrong, but she's pretty well balanced there on that jig. Thank you, Sam. And now I have easy access to the underneath, and it is in outstanding condition. I mean, we already know the passenger floor pan was replaced. The old floor obviously cut out along that seam there. And the new floor pan put in and sealed up with lots of goop. And this is where, the only place I can see this stuff, it's kind of a sticky, tacky, soft coating. I'm not really sure what that is, but it isn't anywhere else on the underside. It's really just where that repair was done. So hopefully that's protected it from rusting. All the cab mounting points are beautiful. Just barely a bit of surface rust on them. And these sill panels, obviously the chassis was in the way of the previous owner being able to spray any black paint over it, but there's no rot. It's just surface rust. Same on the driver's side. I tell you what, the first one-tonner I went to look at when I was looking for the project car, it was just so full of rust, and I can't believe it was like at one end of the spectrum to what Trixie is. This cab is in such outstanding condition. So yeah, I will be removing all of that coating and taking the underneath back to bare metal. Looks like there is zero repair needed, and it's really just a question of cleaning it up. I'm sticking with my KBS plan. I'm determined to figure out the best way to use that because I really love what it does. I love how well it protects the metal. And I am hoping that the spray gun will be the solution. So while I am stripping all of this back, I will keep my research up for the right kind of generator and air compressor to run a spray gun. And this will be the perfect place to practice because no one's going to see it. Then I'll be more confident to sand back that firewall again and spray paint it as well. Probably not with KBS as the final finish. I want that to probably be some kind of a paint that I'm going to be using on the inner guards as well. But yeah, this feels like a milestone to me, and I'm just so happy that it's in such great condition.